Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, Chelsea journey to reach the Club World Cup final continues. And Chelsea is going to play against Fluminese in the semi-final. And if Chelsea win, then Chelsea will play against either Real Madrid or PSG, who also wins. So, guys, here is the question. Can Chelsea beat Fluminese? And if Chelsea reach the final, who do you want Chelsea to face? Whether PSG or Real Madrid, who do you want Chelsea to play in the final? But guys, some people said that Chelsea is having easy road to the final. Chelsea is having easy path to the final. That we are facing small teams, big teams named that they don't know. Teams, names, players that they don't know. So UEFA is trying to rob the Club World Cup trophy to Chelsea because of Chelsea easy road to the final. And see, in football, there's nothing like easy road, especially where we reach or where they are playing. That is the last level in football. That is the supreme apex, elite level. And also, there is a different thing from playing and a different thing from winning. Yes, we play. We didn't lose or we didn't play to lose the game. We play and won. Yes, we did well. We play very well and score our goals and move on. This our line they are saying is a line. Man City was there. They removed them. Al Hilal booted City out. Al Hilal told Haaland that he should be humble. Yes, Al Hilal humble Man City. Al Hilal humble Pep. Pep City was in our line. The same as Inter Milan. They were also there. Yes, Champions League finalists. So someone telling me that Chelsea is having easy road to the final, I will not agree. Because Al Hilal beat Man City. Fluminese beat Inter Milan. And all these teams, we can't say that they are small teams. City is not a small team. Inter Milan is not a small team. Chelsea will beat Palmeiras, Almighty Palmeiras, Estavo Palmeiras. And these Brazilian teams, they are doing well in this competition. Even this Brazil, I can tell you that they can beat some of the big guns in the Premier League. I don't want to mention names. You know, when it comes to Arsenal, Man U and Co, they are beating them. I'm telling you, Manchester United cannot beat Palmeiras. Arsenal cannot beat Palmeiras. So why should that Chelsea we are having easy path? No. This one I disagree. So guys, let me hear from you in the comment section. By the way, let's see team of the week of the quarterfinal of the FIFA Club World Cup. Yes, team of the week came out. Let's see them. How many Chelsea players are in? Yes. The goalkeeper is not Chelsea goalkeeper, of course. It can be. The goalkeeper is from Fluminese. Yes. Fabio being the goalkeeper of team of the week. Hakimi being the right back, team of the week. Thiago Silva. In fact, Charlie, I don't know why we let Thiago Silva go. I don't know why. I just don't know. Look at the game the football is playing there. This is at the highest level. Semi-final, he's sending his team to. I don't know. And Chalobah was among. Yes, I was expecting that Chalobah, between Chalobah and Liverpool, even Tosun also deserve this. Yeah, so Chalobah is part. Cucurella, yes, undroppable, unbenchable, undroppable. Yes, almighty Cucurella as the left back for team of the week. And the midfield, this is where I have a big problem, guys. I wanted to see Caicedo there, or Caicedo must be there. Not even he must be there. And now João Neves and Martinelli from Fluminense also. Okay, Caicedo didn't play. Sorry. Caicedo didn't play the quarterfinal. This is the quarterfinal, not the whole competition. Sorry. So that is why. Okay, I see. Okay, that one I understand. Because Santos, yes, we can see Santos didn't play a lot, but that game Santos wasn't bad. But I think the team of the week, these two guys deserve it. And the right wing position, almighty Cole Palmer, yes, well deserved. Because it is 4-4-2. If it were to be having an attacking midfielder, I will put Kopama there. And the right wing position, they put Real Madrid Adagula. Yes, well deserved. Yes, he scored some fine goal or what. And Kylian Mbappe, yes, the goal that he scored, the bicycle kick. Yes, and he attributed to Jota. Yes, that is good. And Doorway, well deserved. Yes, the goal that he scored against Bayern Munich. Lule Kopama goal. Yes. So guys, that is the team of the week for the quarterfinal of the Club World Cup. Team of the week. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Where do you agree and where do you disagree? Who should be there, or which player you think should be among the team of the week quarterfinal of the Club World Cup? Yes. So guys, that is the team of the week. And let's come to the table itself. In fact, the quarterfinal, big things happen. Let's start with Real Madrid, Borussia Dortmund. Real Madrid started the game with early goal, yes, scoring 2 goals, but Dortmund came from behind, yes, and scored the 2 goals. But Real Madrid were lucky, yes, they score another goal, making it 3. In fact, last minutes of the game, Courtois did 1 save. That is why I keep on. See, some days you need your goalkeeper to save you. That save, if not because that is Courtois, and it were to be any other average goalkeeper, Real Madrid will not be here. I'm telling you. So see, in football, some days you need your goalkeeper. That is why some of us, we are crying for a reliable goalkeeper. Go and watch that save Courtois did. It was last minute extra time in that game. If the ball score, they will have go to extra time, and nobody knows what will happen because Dortmund was also playing well in that game. So we need a goalkeeper. We need a reliable goalkeeper. And this game, yes, the most important game in the quarterfinal, Bayern Munich PSG. Some Chelsea fans, we were supporting Bayern Munich, yes. But for me, I still stand. I want PSG, yes. So at the end, PSG won, and that game was so interesting. Yes, nobody was defending. If you score, I score. If you score, I score. I like the game. Even Bayern Munich scored 2 goals, but it was offside. But PSG scored there. Yes, PSG had 2 red cards in this game, guys. PSG had 2 red cards. So this competition, red cards are coming, and our players should be more disciplined because recently our players, they are not being disciplined. Justin had a red card, yes, the last group stages games, and the yellow card there, I will not even talk. By the way, Caicedo is back for this game, guys, and Liverpool will be out, and Reece James also posted that he is fit. So Caicedo is back, Reece James is back, but Lavia, I don't think he's 100% fit. But during Maresca press conference, we will see. Yes, we will hear whether he is fit or not. So, Bayern Munich PSG, it was another lovely game. So, PSG won, and Real Madrid also won, yes, on that path. So, Real Madrid and PSG are going to play. And the team we are going to play against, they play against Inter Milan. That is what I said. So, this is not an easy route. They play against European finalists, Champions League finalists, against Inter Milan. They beat Inter. So why should that Chelsea is having an easy road? That means Fluminese is better than Inter. Yes, if we are going to talk about what is happening currently in the Club World Cup on the table, yes, they are better than Inter because they beat them. So that means we are going to play against a team that is better than Inter. And we are going to play against a team that is better than Man City. Al Hilal beat Man City, yes, and reached the quarterfinal. Then Fluminese also beat Inter Milan and reached the quarterfinal. And 2 of them play, Fluminese and Al Hilal, and Fluminese beat Al Hilal. So Fluminese beat a team that beat Man City, and we are going to play against Fluminese, who also beat Inter Milan. So we can't say this is an easy road to the final or Chelsea is having easy road to the no. And also when you look at our group, we also watch how Benfica game went. Yes, all the witches and wizards from Manchester United and Arsenal. The game went on suspended almost 2 hours. Another match minutes. So at the end, upon all the strugglings, we beat Benfica. Yes, the game was difficult. So Palmeiras also beat Botafogo and we beat Palmeiras. Now we are going to play against Fluminense. So this is not an easy road to the final. And for me, this is how I see this game, guys. Fluminense and Palmeiras. For me, I'm not seeing that difference. Fluminense will also come with that power, that desire to win. They are good. Brazilian teams, they are good. This competition will even make some of us respect them more. Yes, they prove it. They show that they are good. They prove it that indeed that is the reason why they have young best players. Yes, in the world, Estavio, Vinicius, Gina, and Co. Yes, they are good. They are good. So Fluminense, the game will be little tough more than Palmeiras because that is semi-final. But for me, I will not see like the playing style. I will not see a lot from the Palmeiras game. They will come trying to use their wings also. Yes, trying to attack and defend well. And Thiago Silva is there. Yes, good defender. He's doing well there. So this game, what I will say is that we should not concede an early goal. That is all. See, this our young team. That is the issue. If it happened that we score first, even and the opponent equalize, we can still win. But if just to concede first goal, that is where the problem lies. I'm telling you. So this game, Enzo Maresca, we don't want to see Reece James in the midfield. Play players in their right position. Reece James is back. Put him at the right back position. Caicedo is back. Put him in the middle. As you are seeing on the screen about my lineup, Sanchez on goal. Yes, Tosin and Chalobah as being our centre backs. Liverpool was yellow carded, suspended. He will not play. And the 11 position, yes, Cucurella. Nobody can bench Cucurella. Yes, best left back in world football. Mention any left back. Mendy's, no, you can't compare. And the right back position, Reece James, Enzo Maresca, play Reece James in his normal position. And the middle, I will start Enzo Fernandez and Caicedo. Yes, Lavia is not there, or we don't know whether he will return or not, be available. But for now, I'll start Enzo and Caicedo in the midfield and put Cole Palmer at his best position. Yes, look at the last game. He played well. He scored. Yes, the first goal. See, Cole Palmer in the attacking era, he is different animal. He is different player. He is dangerous. So I don't know why Maresca is trying him at the level forward. No. If you want to see the best of Cole Palmer, put him at the attacking era. He is that clinical. So that kind of play, they must be near around the attacking era. So guys, I put Cole Palmer there at the attacking era. And the 11 position on Nkunku. Yes, I was to put Madueke there. But because of the transfers, Madueke, yes, he want to move to Arsenal. So they are having that talks. I don't think Madueke will be fully concentrate, 100% concentrate on the game. So I put Nkunku there. I want to see the best from Nkunku because it is looking like the Nkunku we used to know is coming back. But we want more from Nkunku. So the right one position, Neto, yes, energetic Neto, yes, the physicality Neto, and the striking position, João Pedro. Wow, what a game! What a debut for João Pedro. He didn't score, he didn't assist, but he was important than someone who scored and someone who assist. I'm telling you, like the display we saw, it showed that this guy will have a better future in Chelsea. This guy is coming to win trophies. So João Pedro as my striker, guys. That is my starting 11 for this game. Let me hear from you under the comment section your score prediction, yes, about this game and your starting 11, and I will be mentioning names if only Chelsea win. So please leave your score prediction there. How many goals do you think Chelsea can win, so that my review we can see who was right? Yes, predicted Chelsea right. So please leave your score prediction, yes, whether Chelsea will win, how many goals. And for me, I will say Chelsea 3, Fluminese 1. Or Fluminese 1, Chelsea 3. That is my score prediction. As I said, let me hear from you under the comment section. And I gave you another video about Mohamed Kudus latest and Madueke latest. Yes, Kudus going to Chelsea or Spurs. That video is here. Please click to enjoy them. Take care. Peace.